Welcome to Shivakumar classes. Today the most important topic, very interesting topic which I am going to explain to you people, it is bank reconciliation statement. In simple it's called as the BRS. Those who are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for the further notifications. Now this BRS is very common for class 11 first PUC, BBA, BCA, MBA, and even for CA Foundation, IPCC, for all these courses. What is this BRS, Bank Reconciliation Statement? See, it is a statement prepared by a customer of a bank. Statement prepared by the customer of a bank. It is not prepared by the banker. It is prepared by the customer of a bank. Why they are going to prepare? All this detail, let me say, it is into the a little lengthy procedure. Don't skip the video and you please watch it fully, then only you can understand it is very easily. Because during the time of studying it is into the colleges, normally any student they will neglect that one. Now once you go for the higher studies and when you go for the interviews, normally in the interviews when you go from the accounts background, they will ask the questions from the BRS. So this BRS will make you people to understand, to attend the interview. Keep that it is in mind and you please watch it fully without skipping the videos. Okay. This is a statement prepared by the bank. It is a statement prepared by the customer, which is not prepared by the banker. What is the reason they want to prepare this one? Sometimes my passbook balance will show 1 lakh rupees, but my cash book balance may show more than 1 lakh rupees or less than 1 lakh rupees. It's an example. My passbook balance may show 10,000 rupees. My cash book balance may be more than 10,000 rupees or less than 10,000 rupees. So we don't want to be happy when bank balance shows it is high, and we don't want to be feared immediately when our bank balance shows it is very less. The very first thing what we have to do it is, we have to analyze our cash book and the passbook. We have to analyze our cash book and the passbook. Let me say one example. You see, you all know very well that this book, it is called as the passbook. Who has the right to record it into this passbook? Only the banker. The banker will record it into this passbook. But n number of accounts we will prepare in our organization. N number of accounts we will prepare in our organization. This is the bank account. This account cannot be prepared by the banker. It will be prepared by a customer. Now you look into this problem. In my bank account, balance brought down 80,000 is there, but the salary paid is 20,000. My balance carried down is 60,000. It shows. Now when I check it over in passbook, I can't find the same 60,000 for one or the another reasons. We can't say that every time you cannot find it that one. There may be some reason that. So in my passbook, it may be more than 60,000 also. It may be less than 60,000 also will be shown. So that we have to find what is the reason for increase in the value or decrease in the value. So the BRS will be prepared whenever there is an imbalance between passbook and cash book. Then only we will prepare the BRS. Now let us find what are the reason behind that. First one, bank charges debited in passbook, but it is not recorded in the cash book. Second one, interest on bank overdraft debited in passbook, but it have not recorded into the cash book. Any expenses paid by the banker as per the standing instruction of the customer would have been recorded into the passbook. It would have not recorded into the cash book. And dishonor of the check, or these are the reasons. And apart from that, coming to another one, you see that interest on investment credited in passbook, dividend received credited in passbook, cash deposited directly into bank account by the third party. In these are the reasons some changes would have been happened into the passbook. It is not known to the customer. After receiving the bank statement only, he would have come to know about these are the transaction which is happened into the passbook. So in the same manner, sometimes some expenses which would have been recorded into the cash book, but it would have not recorded into the passbook. Check sent to bank for collection, but the amount is not credited in passbook. It means that I send the check from the office to the bank for collection of money, but the banker still it is not collected. Or check issued to some person, that some person would have not presented the check into the bank for collecting of the money from the bank. Like that, various other reasons will be there. Because of the various reasons, my passbook balance will not be same with the my cash book balance. So therefore, to overcome from these activities, we are going to prepare the BRS. So the very simple format which I am going to explain here, it is, see that there are 4 different books we have to prepare. That 4 different books I brought it into the 2 simple format. Bank balance as per passbook. If it is given, the answer which we are going to find here, it is, I written in same red color, you see, bank balance as per cash book. I'll write here. In case if they give passbook, you should find the answer in cash book. What is the second one it is given? Please look into this. Bank overdraft as per cash book. Bank overdraft as per cash book. So that we are going to find the answer for bank overdraft as per passbook. Bank overdraft as per passbook. Always it is opposite. Right? Yes. How to remember this one? The concept to remember this one is, see, the format of what I am going to write it now, that will be the standard for Now which book is appearing? It is into the very first one. It is passbook. Remember, that is the most important. Which book we write it first? Based on that only the format we will decide. Now, since I write the passbook is first, remember that in passbook, amount decreases. Amount decreases. And in cash book, amount increases to be added. That's it. So this format is depending on the which book is I am showing first. That is most important. You can't expect that the same format will come for all the problem. Which book balance is given? The first book I have shown here, it is the passbook. Therefore, in passbook, the amount what it is decreases, and in cash book, opposite book, the amount what it increases, that should be added. What are the entries? Let me explain. In the after showing the less entries. Now you make it as everything opposite. Add is there. Opposite add is what? Less. In PB amount decreases is given. Make it as opposite. In PB amount increases. And next what is given? In cash book amount increases is given. That you make it as opposite. In cash book amount decreases. That should be, here it is given added, that should be deducted. That's it, BRS. Very simple logic to remember the format of the bank reconciliation statement. You see in the heading which book is given first. Passbook is given first. That's it. When passbook is given first thing, you have to write the format. It is add, in PB amount decreases, and in cash book amount increases. Everything it is opposite only. For the add, opposite is less. Second one is in PB amount decreases, opposite is in PB amount increases. And in cash book amount increases, opposite is in cash book amount decreases. That's it. This is the format for BRS as of mine. Now you have learned the BRS fully. Now what are the different words will come? That let us see one by one. See, let us see the decrease. What are the decrease? Decrease means debited. Debited in passbook. Decrease means debited in passbook. Next, then what is that? Increase. Increase means credited in passbook. That's it. Decrease means debited in passbook. Increase means credited in passbook. Okay. Now what are this debited? Interest on BOD. Interest on BOD. Point B. Bank charges. Bank charges debited in passbook. Bank charges debited in passbook. Point C. expenses paid by banker. Expenses paid by banker as per the instruction. Now, and point D is dishonor of check. Yes, dishonor of check. These are the entries indicates that the amount decrease in passbook. Then what are that increase in passbook that is credited in passbook? First one is third party deposits. Money directly into the account. Third party deposits money directly into the account. That is one. Second one is interest credited. In passbook. Third one is like that, dividend received or any other income received. All this. After this, so far I was saying only about the passbook. Now coming to information about cash book, we have only one information. So increase in cash book, that is relating to cash book. Let me write here. You see that check sent to bank. Check sent to bank for collection. But the banker does not collect the money. Coming to less item, only one entry, it is from the cash book. Check issued, but it is not presented into bank for collection. Okay, now around five entries I have given into the add entries, and 4 entries I have given into the less entries. Let me repeat all these things once again. You please see that. Yes. Bank balance as per passbook or BOD as per cash book. For both the cases, same procedure. What is the procedure? What is the book is first? Passbook. What does it indicates that? In passbook, whatever amount decreases, that you should add, and in cash book, whatever amount increases, you should add. That is the procedure. What are the two decreases entries? A, interest on BOD debited. Second one, bank charges debited. Third one is expenses paid by banker. Expenses paid by banker. Point D, check dishonor. All these it is amount reduces, and in cash book increases, what it is, check sent to bank for collection. This is the plus items. Now opposite to plus it is what? Less. Less. What is that less? In passbook it should increase, and in cash book it should decrease. So passbook increases when it is interest credited in passbook. Second one is dividend received. Dividend received by the bank. Dividend received by the bank recorded in passbook. Next one is check issued recorded in cash book. That is, cash book balance decreases. And third party deposited money directly into the bank account. Third party deposited money into bank account. Yes, these are the items only which I have shown into this or the entries. Come on. Bank charges debited in passbook. Opposite is interest on investment credited in passbook. You see, debited, credited, decrease in passbook, increase in passbook. Opposite items. Interest on bank overdraft debited in passbook. Again debited. Dividend received credited in passbook. So opposite items. Any expenses paid by the banker as per the standing instruction of the customer decreases in passbook. Dishonor of check decreases in passbook. Cash deposited directly into the bank account by the third party increases in passbook. And next, coming to, these are the entries recorded only in cash book. Check sent to bank for collection, but the amount is not credited in passbook. So amount increases in cash book but not in passbook. Next one is check issued but not presented into bank for payment or collections. That is, the amount decreases in cash book. Now let me show with the another example. In case if the bank balance as per cash book and BOD as per passbook, this is another book. So our answer is going to be quite opposite to this. It is bank balance as per passbook and BOD as per cash book. Under this situation, what will arise? So what are the example I have shown of add there in the previous example? That add will become minus and minus will become add. So how to make it as easy? Now which book is first? Cash book. So what you have to do? Add. In cash book, amount decreases, and in opposite book, what is the opposite book? Passbook. Passbook, amount increases. Now you will come to know the clear idea about this. And the next, coming to opposite to add. What will be the opposite to add? Less. Here add is there, opposite is less is there. Here you have decrease symbol, make it as increase symbol. Increase in which book? Increase in cash book. And in PB increase is there, opposite is what? PB decrease. What is that increase and decrease? Let us see that PB increase is what? Credited. PB decrease is what? Debited. In cash book decrease is what? Check issued. In cash book increase is what? Check sent. Opposite forwards. Check issued, credited, check sent, debited. Credited in where? Credited in passbook. Debited in passbook. That's it. The entire BRS, it is full and full. It is depending on these four different words. Now let me give one simple problem with 5 entries. Let's find it which is to be added. Now let us do one problem as an example. Prepare BRS from the following information. Bank balance as per passbook rupees 1 lakh, but the bank balance as per cash book shows rupees 98,000. You see, this is the first reason that both the books are not having the same balance. If both the books are having the same balance, there is no need to prepare the BRS. That since there is the difference between both the books, we are going to prepare the BRS. The following are the various reasons for the imbalance for the passbook and the cash book. The very first one, it is interest on bank overdraft debited. Simple logic is that debited means that decrease in which book? Passbook. Decrease in passbook. Still we did not see plus or minus. Decrease in passbook. Second one is bank charges debited in passbook. Again, what happens in passbook? It is decreases. Next one is life insurance premium paid by banker. Paid by banker means that again decrease in which book? Passbook. Next one is let us not worry about the amount. We are only worried about only the words what it is given. And next one is the interest credited. Credited only in passbook. Credited means increase in passbook. Next one is third party deposited rupees 2000. Third party deposited rupees 2000 in bank account directly. It means that increases into the passbook. Next one is check issued means that decreases in cash book. The amount decreases into the cash book. And last one is check sent to bank. It means that the amount increases into the cash book. This is the meaning, that because the amount which is increased, first they will record it into the cash book. Yes. Now let us discuss once again all these 7 points. Now, bank balance as per cash book, passbook rupees 1 lakh. See, you have two options. If you take passbook is first, you will get 98,000 is the answer. Or in case if you take 98,000 is the first book as cash book, you will get the answer is 1 lakh rupees is the answer as passbook. Now I am going to explain you by taking the passbook, because explanation I have given based on that only. So very simple. In passbook, decrease you should add it, increase you should minus it. And coming to another book, cash book, increase means increase only, decrease means decrease only. That's it. I'll repeat. In passbook, decrease to be added, increase to be deducted. In cash book, increase is plus and decrease is minus. When? If you take the first book is passbook. In case if we take cash book is the very first book, here also the same logic. Decrease in cash book you take it as plus. Increase in cash book you take it as minus. But in opposite book, passbook, decrease means minus, increase means plus. This is the rules for PRS. Now let us discuss one by one. Let me write here. Very first book it is bank balance as per passbook it is 1 lakh. In this some of the entries to be added. What are the entries to be added? Let us discuss one by one. Come on. Interest on bank overdraft debited only in passbook. Interest on bank overdraft debited in passbook only rupees 200. So what I should do? Point number 1. Interest on BOD debited rupees 200. Point 1 is over. Point 2, what it says? Bank charges debited only in passbook rupees 300. Bank charges debited rupees 300. Okay, what is next one? It shows the next one shows that life insurance premium paid by banker. Again what happens here? Decreases. All that decreases will become plus. So third point, it is the LIC premium paid by banker. The amount is 3000 rupees. And the fourth one is interest credited only in passbook. Increase in passbook will become minus. So take it into the less items. Interest credited only in passbook rupees 1500. And the next entry, third party deposited rupees 2000 in bank account directly. So by bank balance increases. So increase will become minus. Second part, third party deposited into bank rupees 2000 rupees. Point number 5 is over. Next, coming to point number 6. Check issued. Issued means decrease in cash book. In opposite book, decrease means decrease only that. Third point, check issued. Rupees 10,000. Check issued rupees 10,000 over. The last point pending is that check sent to bank. Increase in cash book. Increase in cash book is plus. That is to be taken as the plus. So fourth one is the check sent to bank. The amount is 8,000. The total you get here, it is the 11,500. 11,500 plus 1 lakh rupees. So you get it is the 1,11,500. And less items 10, 12, 13,500. When you minus this 13,500, the balancing figure you get here, it is the 98,000. What is this 98,000 is called as the bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book. That 98,000 only is given in the question. It is the bank balance as per cash book. I hope so that understood this problem. So please once again see that in case of any confusion is there, so that it will clarify your doubt. Thank you very much for watching the video.